Hair loss can present a significant personal and physiological burden, affecting self-esteem and confidence. Fortunately, various remedies can help prevent and even reverse hair loss. Here are 6 proven natural remedies to stop hair loss and promote strong hair growth. 1. Maintain optimal vitamin D levels. Maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D can promote healthy hair growth and lower the risk of male pattern baldness and alopecia areata, an autoimmune condition characterized by partial or complete loss of body hair. Vitamin D deficiency is widespread, which may explain why almost 80 million U.S. adults are experiencing some form of hair loss. Taking a vitamin D3 supplement is a convenient and effective strategy to maintain optimal vitamin D stores and stimulate hair growth. 2. Eat more seafood. Seafood, including shrimp, mussels, clams, and oily fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and trout, are rich sources of omega-3 fats. These essential fatty acids are vital to maintaining the scalp's natural oil barrier, which retains moisture and helps prevent scalp irritation linked to hair breakage and loss. 3. Regular scalp massages. Promoting scalp health is critical to prevent premature hair loss and support natural hair regrowth. Scalp massages increase blood flow, delivering oxygen and essential nutrients that support hair follicle function and hair growth. Better circulation also helps remove toxins and waste products from the scalp, making regular scalp massages one of the most effective natural methods to promote regrowth. Adding a few drops of essential oils or coconut oil to the scalp can help reduce dryness and irritation. Maximizing the benefits of scalp massages for hair growth. These oils have potential hair health-promoting benefits: pumpkin seed oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, rosemary oil. 4. Aloe vera hair mask. Applying pure aloe vera gel to the scalp and hair can promote regrowth and help with hair loss. Aloe vera gel contains essential nutrients, including vitamins C and E, minerals, and amino acids that nourish hair follicles, strengthen the hair shaft, and improve the overall condition of the scalp and hair. 5. Take a trace mineral complex. Trace minerals are essential in maintaining the strength, growth, and appearance of hair, and mineral deficiencies have been linked to an increased risk of patchy hair loss, balding, and a receding hairline. While trace minerals such as zinc, copper, selenium, and manganese are all critical for hair follicle function, iron appears to be of particular importance for healthy hair. 6. Use biotin shampoo. Using the wrong hair care products can exacerbate scalp issues and worsen hair loss. Biotin is needed to produce keratin. Biotin supplementation helps improve hair thinning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.